Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to seamlessly implement a CRM into your business today. But before I start, the CRM software that I'll be using is called EngageBay. It's completely free to use. I've left a link for you to create your free account in the description below. And without further ado, let's begin. Step 1 is to migrate your customer data to EngageBay. Now, to do this, you simply head over to the Marketing tab up here, go to Contacts, and here you can create a new contact. But what we want to do is import them, so click this button here. As you see it, a new tab opens. Make sure when you upload your file here, you choose a CSV file, and it's no more than 25,000 contacts. I've already created mine. We upload. As you can see here, the fields should correlate. If they do not, you can change them here. If you have a custom tag or a custom field, you can change those here and you can create them here. I would recommend you create a tag, so you can create uploaded 2021 or 2023 whenever you uploaded them. Makes it easier to segment your data this way if you do it now. And then you click import. Once you've done this, you can move on to step 2, which is to create deals within the sales board. Now you can easily track all your customer interactions in a simple and efficient way. Simply go to the Sales tab up here, then to Deals, and as you can see here, we've got the sales board. Here you can see all the different sections you can move your customers into, whether it be a new customer, a prospect, or a proposal. We can move them wherever we like. Now, to create a new deal, you go to Create New in the top right corner. You can choose a deal name, say Bob Smith. You can choose the track, so whichever sales board you want, what milestone, so that will choose which section they fall under, whether it's new, prospect, proposal, won or lost. You can choose the deal amount, say £20 or $20. The close date, so if it's a time sensitive deal, you can set a close date, so when the deal ends. You can add notes, so any interactions you have with this customer or deal, you'll put them in the notes section. Any information regarding invoices or interactions, whether what product they want or any specific requirements for their journey. Tags. Tags are very important to segment your database. Now, Bob Smith may be ordering some clothes, for example, so I'll put as a tag clothes, if I can spell it right. And you can choose the owner. So I'm the only one in my team, so if we had anyone else in the team, they'd pop up here, and we can choose the owner here. We can now associate contacts with this deal as well, so data will get brought through. So if I type in Bob, I've already got a contact for Bob Smith, so I can add him, and if it's correct, it will show up here. Bob Smith isn't part of a company, so I'm not going to add a company here. Creating an owner is also important, so that you can choose who the emails automatically come to. Now we'll just save this deal. As you can see, we've got another Bob Smith here for £20. Now, to set some tasks, go up to this button here, and now you can create tasks which are associated to deals. If we go to Create Task, task name, we'll call it a follow-up call. High priority, you can choose what you need to do, whether it's a call, so I'm going to choose call. How important it is, it's only a medium importance. Due date, this is important, so you can choose I'm going to call Bob Smith on Thursday at 3:30. Now, To set an email reminder, you may want to know about to remind you to call Bob Smith. So that could be at 2:30, so you remember, an hour before. And you can put all your notes here that you want to remember for this specific task. Contacts. Now you can associate it with Bob Smith. And here you go, again, it accepts that. Any companies, Bob Smith isn't part of a company. Any deals, Bob Smith is part of a deal. We've got 2 here, so you can choose which amount it's related to. Mine's the £20 one. Have I started this call yet? I haven't, so I'm going to leave it here. And this is important. The owner is important to decide if you're working in a team, as it will send the email notification to the owner. So let's say you want another member of your team, not yourself, to follow up with this. You choose them as the owner. And then you'd save that. You've got a task created now. Once you've completed this, you've finished the essentials. I would recommend now going to your profile icon, which is in the top right. Go to Get Started, and now you can see that we've completed some of these here. I've gone through the most important steps, but to utilize EngageBay to its fullest potential, you can go through these now. If you'd like to start your CRM journey today, check out my link in the description. Please, have a good day.